when you speak of large numbers, we are probably going to end this year about 85-87% of our 2019 numbers, which is the benchmark of measure.
How many other routes has Frontier introduced to Jamaica since they opened the market here?
With today's flight, they know of 5 gateways, 5 routes. Today, Tampa, before Philadelphia, Miami, Atlanta, and Orlando are the other 4 gateways that they service with us now.
How important is this new Tampa route to the tourist arrivals that are forecast?
Well, Tampa is an interesting market because it's north of Florida. It is a huge market, we believe, for weddings, destination weddings. It's also a huge market that has lots of affluent travelers. And so we believe that that will add to our focus on driving higher revenue tourist arrivals, luxury tourism, destination weddings, and overall just more traffic out of the Florida catchment area.
What type of growth are we seeing in the other source markets?
The growth has been steady. We are, when you speak of large numbers, we are probably going to end this year about 85-87% of our 2019 numbers, which is the benchmark of measure, simply because it was our greatest year of arrivals. So if you use that as a judge, and the fact that when we spoke to the media a year and a half ago, we said recovery would be late 25. Now we're seeing recovery at September 23, based on the current trajectory. Now, all things being equal, we're still, if you like, operating within a pandemic globally. So we have to manage those numbers in a way that we continually review them. We're continually looking at the circumstances that exist around the world in terms of how COVID-19 continues to affect travel. What we are indeed seeing, though, is that it has not, in fact, impeded the rate of recovery of travel and tourism globally, and we are depending on that trajectory to continue for us to be able to meet our numbers.
What type of traffic do you foresee for this summer?
Well, we expect that we will be very close to pre-pandemic numbers and perhaps even exceed that. The airlines have indicated to us that the bookings are strong. We're going to see higher load factors than we have seen before. Last month, for comparison, we were just about 99% of where we were pre-COVID, and the numbers for June are following a similar trajectory. We have new routes added that we didn't even have pre-COVID, so certainly the outlook looks strong for the destination.
What changes can passengers look for?
Well, we have lots of exciting plans this year. We are officially opening our departures area expansion. That's about 2,700 square meters of space, retail space, but also seating, a better experience for the passengers. We are launching this year the RFP for the expansion of the Immigration Hall. Immigration Hall will be expanded coming in 2023, the outbound security area as well, the check-in area, all the landside roads, parking will be part of an airport transformation project for Sangster International Airport, and certainly bringing the facilities that continue to grow in line with the